right, we're back. We got some solid new inventory this week. I think you're going to be impressed, and I do believe that most of the new inventory that we're going to see today probably won't be here by next week. So if you're interested in any of them, I'd pull the trigger quick. And if you want to get in touch with Maple Motors, head on over to maplemotors.com. They've got all the contact info, financing, shipping details, everything you need to know to put one of these classics in your garage. Now, before we get started, I want to mention that it's getting to be spring cleaning time here at the lot, and if you want to detail your ride just like the crew here at Maple Motors, I've compiled a list of detailing products that you can see being used by the Maple Motors detailing crew in this behind-the-scenes video. I'll put a link to those products in the description below, and for those of you watching on a TV, I'll put up a QR code on the screen. All you got to do is open up the camera on your phone, point it at that QR code, and then click on that link that pops up. It'll take you to that list of detail products. You can be detailing your ride just in time for spring with the very products that the Maple Motors detailing crew uses themselves. So you know the drill. We're going to look at all the new inventory in detail, and I'm also going to go over the existing inventory. Let's get started. We're starting off with this classic. This is an old friend on the lot, a 69 Plymouth Roadrunner. It's priced at $37,900. It's got a matching numbers 383 under the hood with an automatic transmission. Next up, more current inventory. This is a classic that's also been with us for a minute. It's only a matter of time. This is a 1969 Pontiac GTO, priced at $34,900. Features a 400 under the hood, connected to an automatic. Now, this is existing inventory, but it's pretty new on the lot. It's a 1967 Chevy El Camino, priced at $18,900. It's got a 283 under the hood, connected to an automatic. We're getting to some new inventory after this one, but first let's take a look at this 1971 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $34,900. It's got a big block 454 and a 4-speed manual. What else could you ask for? And here we go, some new inventory on the lot is a 1966 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $32,900. Let's take a closer look. Here, we're going to have back-to-back-to-back new inventory. Let's take a look at this 1967 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $36,900. Let's take an exclusive first look. And more new inventory, a 1980 Pontiac Trans Am this time, priced at $20,900. Let's have a closer look. Hey, that 68 Corvette over there in Corvette Corner is sold, so we're skipping over it and heading to some current inventory, a 72 Chevy Nova SS, priced at $32,900. It's got a matching numbers 350 connected to an automatic. Now there's a sale pending on this 72 Nova, so we're going to skip over it, head on over to some more current inventory. But this one was new on the lot last week. It's a 67 Chevy Camaro, priced at $35,900. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 connected to an automatic. Another new ride from last week, this time a 68 Chevy Camaro, priced at $32,900. It's got a matching numbers 327 connected to an automatic. Now, I know y'all saw this in the background. This is more new inventory. It's a 1966 Ford Mustang, priced at $20,900. Let's take a look. Just back-to-back pony cars. Here's some more current inventory. A 67 Ford Mustang Fastback, priced at $47,900. It's got a 351 under the hood, connected to an automatic. A hop, skip, and a jump over to the other side of the lot. We're going to find some more current inventory. A 1955 Chevy 210. It's priced at $31,900, and it's got a good wrench 350 under the hood, connected to an automatic overdrive. Got your choice of 55 Chevy 210s. Here's another one priced at $32,900. This one's got a 350 under the hood, connected to an automatic. We do have some new inventory coming up in this row, including this 1963 Chevy Nova 2, priced at $17,900. Let's take a look. I know some of y'all were wondering where this one went, just to the other side of the lot. You still got a chance at it. It's a 67 Chevy Camaro convertible, priced at $34,900. Got a 305 under the hood, connected to an automatic. We're going to finish out this row strong with some new inventory. This is a 1968 Pontiac Firebird. It's priced at $24,900. Let's take a closer look. Going to be some fun test drives this coming week. Let me know which ride was your favorite. I want to thank you guys for watching. It'll be interesting to see how many of these new rides are still here next week, if any of them. But until then, have a great week. I'll see you next time.